So guys, to test your microphone in Windows 11, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find the input tab. And then once you're in here, you can set the volume of your microphone. And then you want to click on microphone. And then once you're on this page, you can now set your input volume. And you can set your format. And then once you're happy with all of this, you want to click on start test. And now you want to start speaking for a little bit. So right now I'm speaking, and now I'm going to click on stop test. And now what shows that my microphone is working, so there is sound that's been detected, but it's only at 21%. And now for the second method, if you want to actually hear yourself, then you're going to click on sound on the top. And now you're going to scroll down, and then click on more sound settings. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on recording. And then you're going to click on your microphone. Double click on this, and then click on listen. And then click on listen to this device, you're going to tick this. And then click on apply. Hello. I just turned off right now because there's going to be a lot of echoing, but in your case it should be good for you. So you're going to click on listen to this device, and then click on apply, and then start talking, and then you're going to be hearing your own microphone. You can see if it works or not. And then click on OK.